Hi everybody, in this tutorial we'll be discussing about the key features of Java. Java is one of the popular and useful programming language because of the excellent feature it provides, and also due to this it has gained a top spot in the list of the programming languages. The features sometimes are also known as Java buzzwords, following a few of the features that Java incorporates. Number 1. It's simple. It's quite easy to learn and master Java as the structure is simple and clean. Java removes complexity because it does not use complex and difficult features of other languages like C, C++, such as the concept of pointers and operator overloading. Number 2. It's secure. It is best known for its security, as we can develop virus-free and tamper-free systems. Java is secured because no explicit pointers are used. Also, Java programs runs inside a virtual machine sandbox. Number 3. Object-oriented. Java is a purely object-oriented programming language. In Java, everything is an object, which has some data and behavior attached to it. Hence, using this concept, the software development process becomes much more easier and simpler. The few of the concepts of OOPs that Java follows are object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. Number 4. Platform independent. The most significant and key feature of Java is that it provides platform independency. On compilation, Java program gives us the bytecode because of which it achieves independency. This bytecode is platform independent and can be run on any machine. The Java compiler never converts the source code to machine code. Instead, it converts the source code into an intermediate code called the bytecode, and this bytecode is further translated to machine-dependent form by another layer of software called JVM. Therefore, JVM can execute bytecode on any platform or OS on which it is present, regardless of the fact on which machine the bytecode was generated. Number 5. Architecture neutral. It means that the program written on one platform or operating system is independent of other platforms or environments and can be run on any other operating system without recompiling them. In other words, it's based on the VORA concepts, that is, write once, run anywhere. Number 6. It's portable. Portability actually comes from architecture neutrality. It's portable because it facilitates us to carry the Java bytecode to any platform without further the change of any implementation of it. Number 7. It's robust. Java is robust because it strongly utilizes the memory management. There are exception handling and the type check mechanism in Java. There is lack of pointers that avoid security problems. There is automatic garbage collection in Java which runs on the Java virtual machine to get rid of the objects which are not being used by a Java application anymore. Hence, all these points makes Java a very robust language. Number 8. It's multi-threaded. Means using this concept we can achieve the multitasking. Multi-threaded means handling multiple tasks simultaneously or executing multiple portions of the same program in parallel. The code of Java is divided into smaller parts and Java executes them in a sequential and timely manner, following a few of the advantages of multi-threaded concept. The main advantage of multi-threading is that the maximum utilization of resources are possible. It does not occupy memory for each thread. It shares a common memory area. There is no need to wait for the application to finish one task before beginning with another one. It improves the performance and complexity of the overall application. There is a decreased cost of maintenance and also it is time saving. Number 9. Compiled and interpreted. Usually, computer language can be either compiled or interpreted. Java integrates the power of compiled languages with the flexibility of interpreted languages. Number 10. High performance. Bytecodes generated by Java compiler are highly optimized, so Java Virtual Machine can execute them much faster. Java provides high performance with the use of JIT, that is, just-in-time compiler, in which the compiler compiles the code on demand basis, that is, it compiles only the method which is being called. This saves the time and makes it more efficient. Number 11. It is distributed. Java is distributed because it facilitates users to create distributed application. Remote method invocation and EJB, Enterprise Java Beans, are used for creating distributed applications. These features of Java makes us able to access file by calling the methods from anywhere or from any machine on the internet. Number 12. Dynamic. Java is a dynamic language. It supports dynamic loading of classes. It means classes are loaded on demand. Java even supports functions written in other languages such as C, C++. These functions are called native methods. These methods are dynamically linked at runtime. Java supports dynamic compilation and automatic memory management, that is also known as the garbage collection.